What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Monday again, back to work, but we're here. I've got to take my car a little bit apart after the weekend that we had at Drift Matsuri and Super Royale. Obviously we did really well, managed to get that podium spot, third place. Bit of damage here from Ra, when Ra come in, hit me there. And the car is just a bit rough now after the weekend. It's got more fiberglass broken, the rear bumper came off and got hit a few times, a few tyre marks. Yeah, more cracks in the car. There's a big crack under there. It's just all cosmetic kind of stuff, nothing major. Yeah, there's like rubber on it from like when you chase people and they're just tyres are flying to bits. So it's all good. Car did really well. We yeah, nothing really went too badly wrong. We just had to rewire the power steering pump and everything else was fine. So yeah, we just got to kind of, what we do have to do though is we have to pull the diff out because I'm going away for a while. We want to get the car, the diff, Mac and the boys at Collective Garage want the diff, just to kind of go over it, check it over, do bearings and seals and stuff, just to kind of see what it's done over the last, I don't know, season or however long we've had it. It's been awesome, haven't had any faults with it, so hopefully touch wood we can kind of keep that going, just a bit of preventative maintenance, and the boys just kind of want to see inside it and kind of see what's going on in there, so I'd say it should be fine. But yeah, so we're going to get the car up in the air and just pull the drive shaft out and, well, just disconnect it and kind of pull the diff out, whether we do it tonight or tomorrow. But yeah, just thought we'd get down here, get the thing up on the hoist, put the Laurel behind it, because that is pretty much good. Other than a flat front tyre, I'm pretty sure this car didn't have, other than the power steering belt falling off straight away, but now and then it handled it the whole weekend, so I don't know, everything should be fine. That car's good, we'll just park it up and yeah, we'll get Steph to another Mad Mike Day or something in the next kind of couple of months, so yeah, it should be good. Alright, sweet, so we got the diff out. A little bit of a mission, the first time for us to do it, so which is good because we never needed to, but yeah, we've got it out, it's on the floor now. Yeah, just going to put the rear end back together and that's all good, but we'll do that tomorrow night. I think we'll gonna shoot home. Steph's done a roast, so keen on that. It's going to be bloody beautiful, and then yeah, we'll be back down here tomorrow to kind of carry on, put my car back together and then take it off the hoist and yeah, put the next car on. So yeah, alright, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright, so that brings us to the end of the video. Obviously we pulled the diff out last night, and then tonight we've just kind of moved the cars around, because as I said, I think earlier that, yeah, I'm going away. I'm going away for 3 weeks next week. We're off to America. I don't know if you guys know this or not, but yeah, we're going to, stop recording me, brother. Marshall's over here on his phone. But yeah, so we're off to America, myself and Steph. We're going over to Connecticut to stay with Jimmy for a couple of weeks. So we're doing a week with Jimmy first, then we fly out to Seattle to go to FD to go see Rome and hang out with him for the week or so, like week/weekend. And then we fly back to Connecticut and we're staying with Jimmy again, and we're going to Grid Life at Lime Rock. So it's very exciting. There's heaps going on. And it's all like, it's been in the works for a while, but it's finally kind of come now. And I don't know if I've told you guys or not. I could have, and you guys probably already know about it. But yeah, so we're going next week. We get out of here and it should be fun. I hope, I don't want to say what we're doing too much over there because I really don't know. We don't really have too much planned. Hopefully we'll catch up with Jay and the Ignition Speed guys. Obviously Jimmy, DJ, Grant, see if Reddy's around, I'm not sure. Yeah, there's so many people over there that we're gonna meet, hopefully, and yeah, get to hang out, especially with like Jimmy and the boys, Stevie, Austin, RJ, Spoon, all those guys. Yeah, it's gonna be cool. Hopefully we get to do some driving a bit more. Hopefully we get to go to Englishtown for the East Coast Drift School, go see Chris Knapp, and hopefully we get to do some driving there. But yeah, it's just all going to play it all by ear really and see what happens. But other than that, we do have our website finally back up and running, thechoicefiles.co.nz. So yeah, please head over there. That's where you guys can buy the New Zealand only Jimmy Laurel merch. So yeah, if you guys want to jump on that, head over to the website because we're not going to do any more of it. We've only done one run. We've got like less than 80 t-shirts and less than 80 hoodies left. So first in, first served, and yeah, just kind of make it happen. It's going to help us out with our American trip. So yeah, super excited about everything that's kind of coming. The next 6 months should be really good. Yeah, just going to have to see how this American trip goes, and then kind of carry on from there. Also, if you guys are obviously in New Zealand, we have Choice Events Casper Transmissions Carnival coming up in October. Entries for that have been open for a while. We're already at the second release. So yeah, head on to our website, choiceevents.co.nz, and enter with that. Use the code TheChoiceFiles and it'll give you 13% off. So if you guys are watching this video and you're thinking about entering Carnival, use that code and you guys can get a bit of a discount just to kind of say thanks for your support and watching the videos and whatnot. And it'll be cool to see you guys come to our events. It's October 13th to 15th, so it should be good. Drifting, cruising, roll racing, burnouts, show, grip sessions, all of that. So yeah, and hopefully we can kind of see who we can get out as an international driver or two, see if we can make anything happen there. So it's all so much going on. I think this will probably be one of the only videos that we do in the next 2 weeks just before we go to America, because it's just so much going on. There's heaps going on in the background, but there's actually not much happening in the shed. We've put my car here. It's just going to be parked up for a while. Obviously got the diff out of it to go to Collective Garage for a check over. Steph's car is pretty much good to go, so it can just stay here. And then the boys, while I'm away, are going to get into Marshall's car. Hopefully the CEF will get done pretty fast. They've got pretty much everything they need, I think. So yeah, him, Nick, and then Leo's here now, so he can, everyone can kind of chip in and make it happen. Hopefully Leo will be here for that, so he can, he is going to be here now, now that he lives with us. He can be here to film it all and show what the boys are doing while I'm away. I will be doing videos over there, but at least the boys can be here doing some as well, so should be good. But yeah, again, please just head over to the website if you guys want to grab some of that Jimmy and the Laurel merch. It'll mean a lot, and yeah, it's only open to New Zealand, so you guys can't go on his website and grab it. So yeah, make sure you guys get over there, grab it, thechoicefiles.co.nz, and yeah, that's about it. Yeah, again, please, I just want to get to 10K, hopefully before we get to the States, once Squid and Grant's videos are out from them being here, and Ty and stuff shouting us out. So hopefully we can grow, and that's what this whole American trip's about, is just kind of growing and getting those contacts and yeah, just kind of hopefully building a better future. So yeah, thanks heaps for watching, guys. Please make sure you do like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you all in the next one. Cheers. Damn, that wasn't that bad.